much screen time is too much of screen time?
Look at us. We are on screen right now.
Yes.
How am I supposed to answer that?
That's
we are discussing how much is too much of screen time, and the irony of the question is that we ourselves on screen, and I will try to drill into your heads ki nahi bas bahut ho gaya, band karo. So okay, so first of all, the acceptance has to come. I mean, we cannot escape. We are living in digital world, you know, literally. So it's unavoidable, even if you want to just completely shut your gadgets, computers and phones and just completely go offline. It is very, very difficult. But yes, having said that, there have been studies that has shown that there is a link between a heavy consumption of screen time and moderate to severe level of depression. There is a link. So if you are spending 6 to 7 hours in a day on your screen, it's fine, it's okay. But if you are exceeding that, and that too, it's happening daily, often, then you may want to watch out, you know, because then it can lead you into depression and anxieties and severe mental disorders. So I think we are better off if we are using the screen till about 6-7 hours in a day. That is okay. But after that, you take deliberate steps to cut it down. Take breaks in between. Do something else. Now, when I say take break, don't shut off your office portal and start playing a game online. I don't mean that. Because yeah, that is a break for us. You know, usually we do that. Children do that. College khatam hua, class khatam hui, tension khatam hui, we are playing online, either with your friends or with the computer. So try, that is also a kind of relaxation. But again, you're straining your eyes. So overconsumption of anything or extremes of anything is bad for us, physically and mentally. So over time consumption of screen can lead to physical hazards also. You're continuously sitting in one position, in one posture. So,
yes.
So you know, the latest mantra is sitting is the new smoking, you know, because we are sitting most of the time, and it is as injurious as the smoking is. So be very mindful, watch out that you keep taking mini breaks in between. If your work doesn't allow you to go offline, but then schedule your day in such a way where you are taking mini breaks of 5 to 10 minutes, where you are at least getting up, stretching your body, walking around in the house, and kind of taking break from your screen time for some time.
Right. So, ma'am, so the answer is, I think 6 to 7 hours of screen time is just okay. Yeah. And if anything which is going beyond to 6 to 7 hours is a cause of concern. And I think there are many applications also now on mobile phone which can tell you how much screen time you have given, and particular to what apps. Correct. But despite knowing that's the best part. Despite knowing that we are exceeding the time, we do that. So that's something we are.
So I think in that condition, like I said, you will have to take conscious efforts. So if you can tuck away your phone into another room, and you be in a different room, that should help.
But
keep a designated hours.
This could cause stress then.
No, why? Because then you divert your attention to something more fruitful. That's why I said in between you pick up something which you like instead. I mean, not the screen or not any games.
Right.
Online.
Perhaps we should start thinking a world beyond our gadgets. I think, and if we start,
I mean, thinking, we are coming from the world without any gadgets. We are from that era, aren't we?
Yes, yes. But we've forgotten.
Our lives were more peaceful. Man, when we used to go to school, my parents never used to bother or get hassled कि बच्चे पहुंचे कि नहीं पहुंचे. अभी तो बच्चे का टेक्स्ट नहीं आता. We are all worked up. पता नहीं कहाँ है. पहुंच गया कि नहीं पहुंच गया ठीक से. Isn't it? Are we all not doing that? Correct. So we are coming from that era, and I believe strongly that we can go back. If not fully, partially we can go back. So the conscious efforts you have to put as an individual. Yes. You know, put a timer. Yes. We put a timer to wake up. We put a timer to attend a meeting. Now put a timer to go reverse. This is my switch off time. No attending phones. Designate, you have to designate hours. Okay, if I'm checking phone at 10 in the morning, now not before 12 I will check my phone. So that kind of conviction has to come from within. Only then, see, I feel a happier break is much better than a medical break, isn't it?
Yes,
If it is pushing to the limit where your doctor said, okay, all done, you need to be hospitalized, then it is a forced break and you will be forced to be offline, not in touch with your friends and family. So why reach that level? So take precautions and steps, corrective measures before. Switch off your notifications. I find that very irritating. Why do we need to get notification of everything what is happening?
Yes.
एक वो theme paper, एक wallpaper भी आता है, उसका भी notification आ जाता है. I mean, I don't want that. Block it. And trust me, you are not missing anything important when you are offline. Nothing. Because if it is an SOS condition, you will get to know anyhow.
Correct.
But not being online on WhatsApp or on Facebook for an hour or so, or probably a day or so, you're not losing on anything. Trust me, nothing.
Yeah. I think as we put it in Hindi, ना, like हमें कुछ व्रत उपवास करना पड़ेगा इसका, like कुछ से
नवरात्रे हैं, चालू कर
6
दो.
घंटे का 2 घंटे
नवरात्रे चल रहे हैं. This is the best time. चालू करो
Yes.
अपना उपवास.
हाँ, दिन में 2 घंटे गैजेट से दूर रहने का ना, उपवास 1 घंटा. Like we can start in these small ways.
We
At
can
least
start.
now,
We
yes.
can start.
Yes, I think it is.
We can
because of the
also
habit.
learn how to use these things in moderation, just as we learn how to eat in moderation.
Yes.
We know very well. You
Perhaps
can
we are
too
not
much.
thinking now. We are
We're
just
not thinking in those
going
terms.
with the flow, and
Correct.
because it is happening, because it is there, and now it has become a habit.
It's a
Because
habit.
when we started off using these gadgets, we did not think of how am I going to use it for the rest of my life, and we
Correct.
just picked it up, and now it has become the habit, and now we are slave of it.
We are
I think
slave.
that's why all problem
So
is.
we need to see the consumption or the usage of technology or screen in the same light as we see alcohol, eating.
Because this is also kind of an addiction now.
It
Like
is an
people are
addiction.
addicted. Yes.
It is an addiction.
Yes,
So
yes.
you need to learn.
Like
to
I've
use
seen people going
moderation.
to washrooms also taking their phone with them. Like
Oh my goodness, I can't, it doesn't go down well with me.
Yes.
It doesn't go down well with me.
So yes, no, but this is happening. Like
It's happening. It's happening in your own house also. It's
in
not
offices,
really-
in home, like in offices, I
family.
say छोड़ दे यार, मैं बैठा हूँ यहाँ पे phone को, बोले नहीं आपको लेके जाऊँगा. So that's a kind of addiction now. It is with these gadgets.
Yeah.
I think it's time to introspect and put some checks and balances, small, so that we can again build up a habit and we can get a freedom from
Absolutely.
this slavery. Correct.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Again, a very some really interesting inputs and workable solutions which we can work and bring about change in our lives.